How to download and install Amazon Shopping app. Ready to start shopping? This guide shows you how to download and install the Amazon Shopping app on your iPhone so you can shop from anywhere. First, go to App Store on your iPhone or Google Play Store in your Android device. You can find it on your home screen or by using the search bar. Once you're in the App Store, tap on the Search tab in the bottom right corner. In the search bar, type on Amazon Shopping. The official Amazon app should appear at the top of the search results. Look for the app with Amazon logo. Tap on it to open the app page. On the app's page, tap on Get button or Download button to download it. You may need to use your Face ID, Touch ID or password to confirm the download. Once the app is downloaded, it will automatically install on your iPhone. You now know how to download and install Amazon Shopping app. Get ready to start shopping. Like and subscribe for more app tips.